Welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as product specialist at Okuma Europe. Actually, I'm in front of our LU3000 EX turning machine. The LU3000 is a high-performance two-saddle lathe. The two-turret design enables simultaneous four-axis machining. This leads to unmatched efficiency, especially when cutting complex shaft parts. Synchronized up and lower turret operations reduce cycle times and eliminate chatter during production. Here we show the skeleton version, means no covers, just a mechanical core. The cast iron bed ensures high stability, and together with the 45-degree slanted design, it reduces vibrations, enabling precise machining results. Flat linear guides ensure smooth and accurate axis movements. Built for long-term reliability, the LU3000 delivers high efficiency, precision machining year after year. If you want to learn more about our machining solutions, contact us via info@okuma.eu.